Hello everyone, Shane Knutson here with Keller Williams, your trusted real estate consultant with over 25 years business experience in real estate consulting and corporate finance. If you or someone you know needs assistance with their real estate needs, please give me a call. My contact information is below. It's at the end of the video. It's also in the description. Be glad to help answer any questions that you may have and help you to make the best decision for you and your family for your real estate needs. Alright, so it's the week of July 26th, the last week of July here. So let's look at what happened last week in the real estate market. And as always, we'll start with mortgage rates. Now, these mortgage rates come from Bankrate and Yahoo Finance. Again, I'm not a mortgage broker, and these are average rates for the DFW market based on a 740 credit score. The rates were down across the board this last week. The average rate for the 30-year fixed loan was 2.99%. That's down 5 basis points. For the 15-year fixed, it was at 2.29. That was down 9 basis points from where it was last week at 2.38. In terms of refinance, the 30-year fixed was at 2.96. It was at 3.06 last week. 15-year fixed refinance rate was at 2.27. It was at 2.39 last week. That's 12 basis points down. And the 5-to-1 ARM refinance rate was unchanged. It's still at 2.63. It's been there for over a month now. But at least we see that mortgage rates are staying down. Even if they were at 3.1, it's still a low rate. But the fact that they're coming down a little bit, any help that buyers can get right now, that's welcome in this market. We are seeing some plateauing, and we'll talk about that when we get to the actual homes and homes coming on the market, homes going into contract. They're getting some help with inventory numbers going up, but any help that buyers can get in this market is welcome, and those low rates are really to buyers' advantage. So now let's look at what's actually happening in the market in terms of homes coming onto the market and going into contract. And again, these numbers are for Denton County, which is my main market area. Now, in terms of active homes coming onto the market, there were 337 last week. Now, there are also 82 that are coming soon, but that 337, that's a pretty strong number. That's the highest, second highest behind last week here over the summer. On the flip side, those homes going into contract, there were 283. Now that number is way up, but the fact we have more homes coming onto the market, there was still a net gain of homes on the market of 54. So 54 more homes came on than went into contract last week, and that's really what we need, is more homes coming onto the market, getting more inventory. We've been staying both for Denton County and for Collin County. It's right at a month's worth of inventory. And like I've said before, balanced market is at 6 months of inventory. But as that net number continues to grow, that's going to add more inventory numbers, and hopefully will ease some of the pricing pressures that we're seeing, some of the competitive areas we're seeing within offers on homes. Hopefully help reduce some of that. But again, I think the number I saw was there's 10,000 people a month that have been moving to the DFW Metroplex this year. So that demand for housing, and it's not just in homes for sale. We're seeing it in leases, we're seeing it in apartments. There's just a demand everywhere because of the number of people moving here to the area, which is great for sellers. It's great for leasers, landlords. It's not so much for those trying to find a home, but like we said earlier, at least with the rates staying low, that at least helps and gives you a better opportunity to make it competitive. bid on these homes. Thank you again for watching this far. I hope this video was helpful. If you like the content, be sure to continue to watch. We do a new video every Monday with a market update. Do some other videos sometimes during the week on real estate topics and motivation. Again, I'm Shane Knutson with Keller Williams, your trusted real estate consultant. If you're watching this video on YouTube, be sure to hit that like button, or if you're watching it on Facebook as well, hit that like button. It helps us get the video out to more people and help them to get a little better educated in the home market. That's why we do this, is to help people get more information. Again, if you're watching on YouTube, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. I do appreciate you watching this far again. I hope your week is off to a great start, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.